Hello, welcome back to my bathroom. We are in quarantine still, and it's been how many weeks? Yeah, my hair is getting out of control. I haven't been this blonde in a really long time, and my roots are really long. I'm just gonna dye my hair with you guys. Honestly, what else do I have to do? So this is what I'm going to be using to dye my hair today. So I think I'm going to be doing my hair dark purple today. So Fanola sent me the color mask in Viola, and this is their dark purple. So the plan behind doing the dark purple hair is so that hopefully it's dark enough near the roots to make it less noticeable. Because right now with my hair so pale, it kind of just is super obvious. I am clearly not a professional. I go to professionals to get my hair done. I have a little jar. This is the best I could do. I've never used this color of this mask before, so I don't know what color it actually is. And I do want to say, for people who get their hair done professionally, don't do anything to your hair without talking to your stylist first. I did talk with Mindy about doing this beforehand, and I was like, Mindy, is it okay if I dye my hair purple? What product should I use? And then she gave me recommendations. So yeah, that's just to avoid, I guess, like future heartbreak, because eventually you will go back to the salon. I am following this one like short IGTV tutorial that my friend James did, who owns the salon that I go to sort of like, to sort of blend it out. And then I'm just gonna, screw it, I'm just gonna use my fingers and I'm just kind of like rubbing it in to the base. So, okay, I don't think I even like told you guys what I decided to do, but I think I'm gonna try to do like a dark purple up here and then ombre it down into a lighter purple. So hopefully that's gonna be a thing that works. I think I'm trying to challenge myself because I've never done an ombre before. As someone who used to like dye their hair a lot at home, never done an ombre before. I know you guys can't see the back of my head, but you know what, neither can I, so we're just gonna have to deal with that. It's already getting so much harder to do the back. Oh no, I feel like it's getting terrible already. I've seen like Mindy and James do this on me enough times where I see them apply it on the root and then use their hands to sort of like pull it and drag it downwards, that I feel like I hope I know what I'm doing. I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm actually really happy with it, but it's probably too soon to say that. I really don't know what's going on in the back right now, but I'm just gonna go for it. Seems wrong. I feel like that looks okay. I feel like it kind of looks okay. Obviously it's not like super even, but it's like, who's looking at me anyway? Even I'm not looking at myself. I feel like at the beginning of quarantine, I was really like trying super hard to be like, okay, I'm gonna sleep on time. I'm going to maintain like a healthy routine. And then right after that, I had a week where I slept at like 7 a.m. and I was really losing it. I felt really bad, super depressed. And ever since then, I've just kind of like, I'm just kind of giving up. But I'm happy to say that I'm not sleeping at 7 a.m. anymore. It's going well. I think it's going well. Oh my god, this is so fun. Why don't I do this more often? I think the plan is to do all of the roots first, and then I'll go in afterwards with some of the same dye but diluted with a lot of conditioner, and then I'll just kind of like run it through my hair. You guys, looks good. So while we are finally in the swing of things, what have I been doing in quarantine? Well, first, absolutely nothing, but also a lot of gaming, a lot of mobile games, a lot of Animal Crossing. So I've been playing this mobile game called Love Nikki Dress Up Queen, and I feel like such an idiot because I'm like a grown-ass woman and I'm playing like dress-up games on my phone. Not only that, I'm also spending ridiculous amounts of money on this game. I could never understand it when people would be like, oh, like I spent so much money on this like gacha game. But after playing this game for almost an entire year now, I totally get it. I've never really talked about it on this channel because I felt like it was like so like random and out of place. But now that we are doing literally nothing. I feel like now is the time. For me, it's really fun. I've always been obsessed with dress-up games, like Rin Mara games. Like back when I was like 10, maybe even younger, always been obsessed with those. I hope that she's doing well. I hope she's out there like flourishing somewhere, doing something. I feel like ever since I was a kid, I was just really obsessed with dress-up games, and I feel like that's kind of where I got my love for fashion even. Because when you're a kid, you're broke and you have no money, and obviously you cannot like invest in fashion. I feel like playing like flash dress-up games was my outlet for I guess like wanting to be more fashionable as like a 5th grader. And the art is so beautiful and so amazing, and it just makes me feel good to like pay for like content that I really love and support, because I mean we have so much free content in our lives like YouTube, etc., and I feel like I want to do more to pay for the content that I love, especially from artists. So that's why I love Nikki. Someone's calling me. I'm back. It's my cousin Iswa's birthday today, and because it's a quarantine birthday, felt really bad for him because he can't do anything, so we ordered him Postmates. Yeah, my birthday is also coming soon, and I will also be having a quarantine birthday, which sucks, but I mean, there's worse things that are happening out there right now, so I just have to ignore it. I'm gonna tie this up, and then I will let down the top layer. Other than that, I have been playing Animal Crossing. I'm going to put it up somewhere here, my little mini island tour. It's not done, but I have some really cute villagers. Diana is my favorite. I think that she is so classy. Whenever I go into her house, she's like reading a book and listening to like classical piano music, and she's so fucking cute. I just love giving her dresses, and like, I love dressing her up. She's so precious. And she's always nice to me. And I also love Julian, my little Italian unicorn. He's always really nice to me, and I love how he walks around eating a panini. Very, very, very cute. A+. I have some other villagers, but like I'm not super attached to any of them. I know like they're really cute, but I think it's more about like personality. So I have just been sort of like looking for random villagers. I think I'm really lucky when I island hop for villagers though. I got Diana and I got Marina, so I am really enjoying my life in Animal Crossing. I love like meeting my friends in game because we can't like do anything right now, so all we do is like FaceTime each other at like 3 a.m. and fucking just like build hedges and just like watch stars with each other. So it's really fun. Man, this is taking a long ass time. Other than that, I have also been rewatching a lot of anime with Say because there's a lot of things from my childhood that he didn't watch and a lot of things from his childhood that I didn't watch. So I think it's really cute and it's really sweet to sort of like swap the series that we really like. There's like a couple of series that are like really close to my heart always. Gossip Girl, Avatar: The Last Airbender, Full Metal Alchemist, the original series, not Brotherhood. I'm sorry. What else? Death Note, Hunter x Hunter 1999 version. I can't do the 2011 one. I'm also sorry about that. I remember being such like an edgy 3rd grader. I would be like, teacher, I watched something called Death Note today, and my teacher would be concerned about me. I think probably because like I watched all these series when I was much younger, I can't watch like the reboot because it's like too different for me. So that's why I can't do Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. You can come in, it's fine. Look!
Oh, you're doing your hair.
I am. It's going kind of well, but I can't see, so...
Is Mindy gonna be okay with this?
Yeah, I asked her.
Okay.
I asked her what I should be doing. Does it not look pretty okay?
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
Thank you! What if I just left it like this?
Please, no.
Wait. Am I allowed to have boba?
Do you wanna use a glove?
No. It's too late.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Stop that.
Welcome back to Mace ASMR channel.
You mean Say's ASMR channel now? And then lastly for my bangs, because they're short anyway, I'm just gonna do the entire thing purple. Yay. Okay, Okay, so for the rest of our hair, I have a lot of this hair dye left. For the rest of it, I'm going to mix in this conditioner, also from Fanola. This is the Orotherapy Diamante Puro Conditioner. I'm going to get a new clean jar and I'm going to like scoop out a little bit of it. I use literally just like a tiny bit, and I'm gonna dilute it with a lot of conditioner. It's gonna be so much easier to do this because rather than having like a thick dye, it's gonna be like looser with the conditioner, so I can just sort of like brush it through with my fingers. I'm using my hands like a bear getting honey out of a jar. Wow, I am really proud of myself. I think that looks really nice. This is a really cute purple color. It's like lavender. Yeah, you guys can kind of see how like it glides in and deposits color really easily because it's mixed with. It's also a lot messier because it's not as stiff. I have to clean that up before it stains the floor, which it is probably doing this very second. It's also more fun because I don't have to use like a brush or anything. Wow, this is such a beautiful purple color. I'm really, really excited about this. Ah, it looks so good. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Boba? Wait, no, can you shake it for me?
I told you to never speak to me. Here, I'll put it right here.
Okay, it looks good. I'm so happy with it. I think I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. By the way, this is my new phone case. It has cherries on it because my native fruit on my island in Animal Crossing is cherries. So I found this cherry pattern that I used as my phone case pattern in Animal Crossing, and I was like, I want to match my character, so it's time for me to wash this out and scrub my bathtub clean while I'm at it. Leftovers, I'm going to cap these and store these away so I can use them to touch up my hair as colored conditioners. Yay! It's done! I'm purple! Even though my roots are still this like obvious black hole, it at least looks more natural with this purple color, so I'm really happy with it. I think I actually did a really good job. I'm just going to blow dry my hair and also put in some aftercare products. After I wash my hair, I basically use a leave-in cream conditioner and I mix that in with some oil, and I just like apply it like pretty heavily throughout my entire head of hair. So, and this is only for one side of my hair. And then taking the NutriCare Restructuring Fluid Crystal Serum from Fanola, I spritz in like once or twice, and then I just like distribute it. This step is absolutely unforgivable if you skip it in your hair care routine if you have like heavily bleached hair like myself. The ends do look darker than I had anticipated compared to like how it looked like in the jar, but I know that this sort of color with my blonde hair underneath is going to fade out into a pastel pretty quickly, so I'm also not too worried about that. And then I'm just gonna blow dry my hair really quickly. My hair is like not completely dry, but like it's fine, you guys kind of get the point. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye! This took me a really long time.